Well, this is Litre from Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2015 Ford EcoSport, stock number 6146. This ran from 11/2013 to 09/2017. It has a BK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the BK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, spare wheel cover, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 dent, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,